Y bienvenidos to the Interactive Task Cards tutorials. This video is to explain the listen or watch functions within these task cards. You may be asked to listen to audio or watch a video before completing a question on the same slide, or before completing the following task cards. There are 3 different ways that these may be included in your task cards. There may be a video embedded on the slide itself. It will look like this, a square. You click on it to see the play button. It will play automatically once it loads. You can pause. By clicking on the YouTube, it opens into a new tab on YouTube. You may also use the full screen button right here. As you can see, there is a shortcut for that as well. For audio, you're going to hover over the speaker, or you may click on it, and then you hit the play button.
Escucha la descripción.
You can pause and change the volume from that control. At times, there may be videos that are not YouTube videos or Google Slides videos that cannot be embedded into the slide itself, so there may be a video icon. You click on that, and it will open up a link and give you a link detail. And you can copy that, or you can just double click right here, and it will open into a new tab.